Hey there. Today we're tackling an interesting problem that many video editors might encounter. The problem we're looking to solve involves removing a specific part of a video between a start and end point without re-encoding the entire video. It's a common requirement in video editing when you need to trim out unwanted segments. Now, let's dive into the solution. One approach is to split the video into segments based on keyframes without re-encoding. We can achieve this by using the provided commands. First, we segment the video at 5 seconds and 25 seconds, then concatenate the first and last segments using a text file as a reference. This method preserves the original video quality and is efficient in removing the specified portion. Continuing with the solution, another method involves using the in-point and out-point parameters to cut the video at precise times without re-encoding. By creating a text file with the necessary information and using the concat demuxer, we can achieve the desired result. This technique is useful when you need to quickly remove a specific section from a video without compromising quality. Moving on to a more advanced solution, we can accurately cut the video at keyframes by determining the exact timestamps. By finding the nearest keyframe before the specified time, we ensure a seamless cut without quality loss. This method provides precise control over the editing process, maintaining the video's integrity while removing the unwanted segment. To wrap up, we've explored different methods to remove specific parts from a video without re-encoding the entire file. These techniques offer efficient and quality-preserving ways to edit videos with precision. I hope you found these solutions helpful for your video editing needs. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy editing.